Alright, taking a little closer look at this, I'm noticing that when I'm taking a look at the beam as it starts going through things, and I'm using this piece of paper to block it, but if I fire it off, it is just a little pinhole of a beam, which is fine, and it's pretty much the same all the way through up until this piece, the 1/4-inch wavelength plate, and after that it disperses quite a bit. In fact, as you go further away, it gets even bigger. So I'm not sure if that means anything. It's really solid there, and it disperses as it gets further away.